Wagwan guys, so today I'll be showing you how to synchronize multiple video clips in Premiere Pro. So I'm working on a project right now and I said, oh, let me quickly record this real quick because for over a year plus or 2 years or thereabout now that I've been doing this, I've had it in mind that I'm going to make a YouTube video on it so you guys can learn this too if you don't already know it. Okay, so I have how many clips here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clips here. So if I try to synchronize these 5 clips, you would see that the synchronize is grayed out. That means I don't even have the option to select it. So what you are going to do is this. So I'm going to press the wave like button beside your number 1. That's the button above the tab button, that button. So now I'm selecting this particular dock. So just select anywhere. You can see the blue line around it. So then press that wavy line. So it brings you to a fuller screen like this. You can see other things I'm working on. So this is what I want to synchronize here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can also use multicam. Okay, so all you need to do is to take these clips to other tracks. You can see I move it from track 1 to track 2. Then ensure that each track of what you want to synchronize, that there is not more than 1 clip on a track. So that's what I just did here. Then we do the same thing for the audio. Let me compress this, do this for the. So after doing this for the audio, now you can see they are all on their own track. So you can select all the clips you want to synchronize and right click. You can see our synchronize button is no longer grayed out. Then you hit synchronize. Then since all these videos have audio and these audios are supposed to synchronize, then you hit OK. That means on audio. Then you wait for it. It takes a few seconds depending on how fast your PC is. And as you can see here, they are all synchronized. So it has synchronized it all. So you might want to play through it. After synchronizing, I just play through to ensure that the sound is not, one of the sound is not delayed. Most times it does a good job. Premiere Pro has actually done a good job with that.